Hey everyone. Today we'll talk about list of 15 essential items for emergencies from the Red Cross. We're going to break down each item and show you budget-friendly alternatives. Whether you're a seasoned prepper or just starting out, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what you need and how to get it. Let's geek out on emergency preparedness. First up, the big one, water. In any emergency situation, water is your most crucial resource. Without it, survival becomes a challenge within just a few days. The Red Cross recommends a gallon of water per person per day. This amount covers drinking, cooking, and basic hygiene needs. Repurpose empty gallon jugs from milk or juice. These containers can be easily cleaned and reused for water storage. Wash them thoroughly, add a teaspoon of bleach to disinfect, fill them up with clean water, and you've got a free and reliable water supply. Think about long-term water sources like your water heater or rain barrels. These can provide additional water if your initial supply runs out. Store enough water in a cool, dark place to last at least 3 days, ideally 2 weeks. This ensures the water remains fresh and safe to drink. Trust me, when the grid goes down, you'll be thankful for your stash of clean drinking water. It's not just about drinking. You'll need it for cooking and basic hygiene too. And don't forget about your pets. They need water just as much as you do. Make sure to store extra water for them as well. Regularly check your water supply to ensure it's still safe to use. Rotate your stock every 6 months to keep it fresh. Preparing your water supply now can make all the difference in an emergency. Take the time to plan and store enough water for you and your loved ones. In a crisis, community resources may be limited. Having your own water supply ensures you won't have to rely solely on external aid. Water is life. In an emergency, it's your lifeline. Be prepared, stay safe, and ensure you have enough water to weather any storm. Next up, let's talk about food. The Red Cross recommends a 3-day supply of non-perishable food. Canned goods are perfect for this. Focus on canned meats like tuna, chicken, and salmon for protein. Include peanut butter, trail mix, and dried fruit for quick energy. A little comfort food like chocolate can keep spirits up. Stock up on canned goods, rotate them regularly, and you'll be good to go. Light. When the power goes out, you need flashlights. Hand crank flashlights are great, but battery-operated LED flashlights are more practical. Consider solar-powered flashlights or lanterns for free light all night. Have multiple light sources in case one breaks or gets lost. Store your flashlights in an easily accessible place. Being prepared with light sources can make a big difference. Emergency radio. Your lifeline to the outside world. In an emergency, staying informed is crucial. Information can be the difference between safety and danger, and having a reliable source is essential. A NOAA weather radio is essential. It provides continuous updates on weather conditions, warnings, and alerts directly from the National Weather Service. These radios receive emergency broadcasts even if the power is out. This ensures you stay connected to vital information when you need it most. Many models have multiple power options like solar, hand crank, and USB ports. This versatility means you can keep your radio charged no matter the situation. You can find affordable emergency radios online or at camping stores. They come in various models to suit different needs and budgets. Look for features like AM/FM radio, weather alerts, and multiple power options. Some models even include flashlights and phone chargers, adding extra utility. A reliable source of information can be a game changer in an emergency. Having an emergency radio ensures you and your loved ones stay informed and prepared. Extra batteries, the unsung heroes of preparedness. In times of crisis, these small powerhouses can be the difference between staying connected and being left in the dark. Batteries keep everything running, flashlights, radios, and more. Imagine a power outage. Your flashlight and radio become your lifelines, and they all depend on batteries. The Red Cross recommends having a stockpile of extra batteries. This ensures that you are always prepared, no matter the situation. Take inventory of all the devices you rely on and get the right types and sizes. From remote controls to smoke detectors, each device has specific needs. Store your batteries in a cool, dry place and check expiration dates periodically. This helps maintain their efficiency and ensures they are ready when you need them. A battery organizer can keep everything sorted and prevent leaks. It also makes it easier to find the right battery quickly in an emergency. Having a fresh supply of batteries can make all the difference in an emergency. Regularly replacing old batteries with new ones ensures that your devices are always ready to go when you need them most. First aid kit. Building your own medical arsenal. A well-stocked first aid kit is non-negotiable. Build your own kit to save money and customize it to your family's needs. Stock up on essentials like bandages, antibiotic ointment, antiseptic wipes, gauze pads, medical tape, pain relievers, and allergy medication. Include tools like tweezers, scissors, a thermometer, and a CPR mask. A well-stocked first aid kit can help you treat minor injuries and manage more serious situations until help arrives. Medications. Don't get caught empty-handed. Emergencies don't care if you're in the middle of refilling your prescriptions. Talk to your doctor about getting a little extra on hand for emergencies. Think about prescription medications and over-the-counter meds you use regularly. Store medications properly in their original containers, out of direct sunlight and in a cool, dry place. Multi-tool. The MacGyver of emergency gear. A good multi-tool can handle basic tasks in an emergency. Look for a multi-tool with a sturdy knife, pliers, a screwdriver, and a can opener. You can find affordable and durable options at hardware stores or online. A good multi-tool is like having a whole toolbox in your pocket. It can help with repairs, food preparation, and even self-defense. Practice using your multi-tool before you need it in an emergency. Personal hygiene, staying fresh when it matters most. Maintaining hygiene in an emergency can boost morale. Stock up on essentials like toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, shampoo, toilet paper, hand sanitizer, and feminine hygiene products. Include garbage bags for sanitation and moist towelettes for quick cleanups. Create individual hygiene kits for each family member. Staying clean is not just about comfort, it's about health. In the chaos of an emergency, it's easy to lose track of important documents. Keep copies of vital documents in your emergency kit. Invest in a fireproof and waterproof document bag. Consider making digital copies and storing them securely online. Protecting your personal documents is crucial in an emergency. It can help you prove your identity, access essential services, and navigate the recovery process more smoothly. Our cell phones are lifelines in today's world, especially in an emergency. Make sure your phone is fully charged before any potential disaster. Invest in a portable power bank and a solar charger. A portable solar generator can charge multiple devices and power small appliances. Communication is key during an emergency, so keep your cell phone powered up. Staying connected can make a big difference in an emergency. In today's digital age, we rely heavily on our phones to store contact information. Have a physical copy of essential contact information in your emergency kit. Write down phone numbers of family members, friends, neighbors, your doctor, and your insurance company. Keep this list in a waterproof bag or laminate it. Having a written list can help you reconnect with loved ones and seek assistance in an emergency. Cash is king, even in an emergency. In an emergency, cash is king. ATMs and card readers might be down. Keep a small amount of cash in your emergency kit. Distribute some cash among family members in case you get separated. Cash can buy you peace of mind and access to essential goods and services. Emergency blanket. Staying warm when it matters most. Emergencies can mean facing extreme temperatures. An emergency blanket can keep you warm in cold conditions and cool in hot weather. These lightweight, compact blankets are made from mylar and are very affordable. Staying warm or cool in extreme temperatures can be a matter of survival. An emergency blanket is a small investment that can make a big difference. Maps, navigating your way to safety. In an emergency, when technology fails, a paper map can be your lifeline. Have maps of your local area and potential evacuation routes in your emergency kit. Mark down evacuation routes, meeting points, and important landmarks. Knowledge is power, and a map can help you make informed decisions and stay safe. So there you have it, folks, the 15 essential items the Red Cross recommends for your emergency kit. Being prepared isn't about living in fear, it's about having peace of mind. Stay safe, stay prepared. Thanks for watching.